All right, guys, welcome back to today's episode of the Crypto Eye, and we are going to discuss a very important topic today. And I'm so glad you're here today because by the end of this video, you're going to know the reason why a lot of people did not make money in the last bull run as they thought they are going to make, and what they should be doing in the upcoming markets, upcoming trend, or the next bull run for you to make a lot of money. So without further ado, let's get started. But before I start this session, if you're just watching us for the first time, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that anytime we upload a video, you will be notified and you'll be the first to watch them. You know, information is important and timing is everything. But before I go into this topic of today, I want you to understand that I am not your financial advisor. Whatever thing I say on this video is just my own personal opinion. So do your own research properly. Thank you. All right, guys. You see, when you're being told about cryptocurrencies and the enormous opportunities that lies in, you think you're just going to make it all here, and that's actually the truth. But then what happened that when you joined the space, you really did not make as you thought? First thing first, I want to bring our attention to this issue. You see, a lot of people watch YouTube videos and they watch a lot of influencers in the crypto space. They give a lot of tips and advice and all of that. And then people begin to think, okay, where they can do their crypto research is through YouTube. Wow, guys, really? That shouldn't be. You are being educated here, you are being given tips here, but this is not the place for you to do your own research. You're watching content here, and don't forget that the information posted on these channels, a lot of people may have watched it before you. So by the time you come and you digest this content and you want to go into the tips that was given to you or whatever call that was given to you, you find out that it has already made some percentage. So you ended up buying at the top and selling at the bottom. And if you want to hodl, it will take a longer time. So one, you cannot base your findings on YouTube alone. And also, haven't you seen that a lot of people come to make videos? You see, Bitcoin has gone up today by 5%. If actually, and you see the media, they begin to hype it. Bitcoin has done this, Bitcoin has done that. Are we bouncing back? We found the bottom and now we are heading up, we are heading to the moon. And then 2 weeks later you find out that all of these things are old, they didn't even work. So what happened? You're basing your fact on just what you find on YouTube or any of the media places instead of going deep down to actually do the research yourself. So you don't have to base your facts on what you see on platforms like this. And again, don't be surprised, most of these influencers has already bought their coin. Most of them have bought their coin way back or some couple of days or weeks back before they come to make video about it, and they have huge subscribers. So what happened? As soon as they publish their video and give the good tips about this particular token and everybody is hyped up and they like it, what do you think is going to happen? They are going to enter this crypto, they are going to buy in, and as soon as they buy in, the price get pumped up and the influencers are cashing out real big. And sometimes we begin to ask who is actually making the money. And well, it is what it is. Then another fact is a lot of people are looking for 1,000x. Come on, guys, come on. You're looking for 1,000x. I'm not saying it's not possible, it is. In fact, from the eras of ICOs, if you have bought in on some of these projects during the ICO era and up to now, you would have made some good thousands of x. I don't want to call it coin today, but it's, for me, it's a no. You shouldn't be looking for 1,000x. You should be looking at a project that can give you at most, let's say, 2x, 3x. By that way, you're building your portfolio, you're building yourself. If you can find 100x, no problem. But also you need to understand that crypto is very volatile. So on your journey to 100x or 1000x, you need to take profits. Not taking profit is actually going to bring you down. It's like making money and returning the money back to the market, which is actually not what it is supposed to be. And then a lot of people, this is actually another fact, a lot of people claims they are trading, and if you look at it, what are they actually trading? And I may not have enough fact to back this up right now, but I'm sure I will with time, because a lot of people tell you, I trade crypto, I do this, I do that, and I make so much gains. It could actually be true, but you should not just believe because somebody say he's trading crypto and you just jump in and begin to give the person money or whatever to trade for you without actually doing your own due diligence. As a man who wants to make money, as a lady who wants to make money in this space, you should look at gaining some knowledge. Look at how you can start. There are a lot of places that you can learn crypto trading. So you shouldn't just be throwing your money around looking for who you're going to give your funds to trade for you. It works for some people, but then you have to remember that because something works out for one person does not mean it's going to work out for another person. So that is an important thing that you should put into consideration. Okay, now what do you do when in the bear market? Where do you put your money? I've been saying this oftentimes. This is a bear market, and all you need to do now is to look at projects that are actually going to survive the bear markets. You do that by doing your own research, look at the trading volume, look at a lot of things about the crypto or about this particular project, and analyze what you should do. And I always say dollar cost average. Do not just dumping your money at once. It doesn't work that way. Okay, you have to look at if this project is what you want to build on during the bear market. At a certain period of time, you can tell yourself, okay, I'm going to be putting in $50 per week to this project. So then you should be putting just $50 for this particular project. One of my mentors, I call Mr. Stash, he always tells us, if you're trading, you should always make sure that whatever your investment is in a trading, you should diversify. So also learn how to diversify. As a matter of fact, if you have $100 you want to start investing in crypto, you shouldn't put your $100 in 100 coins or 50 coins or let's say 10 coins. It doesn't really work that way. Of course, one could be going up and the other one is coming down, and you just find out that either your portfolio is at equilibrium, reason being that the one going down is actually balancing the one going up is actually balancing the one coming down, and all of that. And before you know, emotions begin to set in, begin to feel, oh, I'm not making it here, and boom, off you go. So you should know the number of assets you are investing your money in. If you have $1,000, you should be looking at say 2 to 3 projects, or at most 4 projects. You can just be investing your money in and set a time frame where you want this to happen. Okay, and then you find out that over time you have actually had a lot of bag, or in fact your moon bag is actually big. Right now your moon bag may look small, but over time it's going to be bigger. So to wrap this video up, I just want to say that stay safe, know what you're doing in the crypto space. Gaining knowledge is paramount, and if you have the required knowledge for whatever thing you want to put your money into, it gives you confidence. And you don't have to follow everybody. A lot of people come in, okay, buy this, buy that, this is the next Ethereum killer, this is the next Bitcoin, and all of that. You have to stay focused and know that whatever you're doing, being focused actually gives you more ideas. It gives you more, what should I say? It gives you more directive as to what to do and what not to do. So thank you very much. Today, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we have good tips such as the one you've just watched, you'll be the first person to notify. So without further ado, I'd like to say thank you and God bless you.